Hi viewers, Sudhir from Coding Freaks. This video is a pre-introductory video to the course of Python Basics. In this, we are going to discuss what we are going to learn, who could be the audience for this course, and what all are the objectives of this course. So let's begin with the objective. The goal of this course is to explain the process of installation of Python, describe the various Python data types, discuss the various control system used in Python, explain the various types of loops used in Python, explain the process to create and run a function in Python, explain the process to create and use a class in Python, describe the process to create and import a module in Python. The course is not limited to these points. These are just a high-level overview. We'll be learning a lot in this course. As we go further in this course, we'll get to know what all sort of data structure is, how we can use the looping and branching in a programmatical way just to understand how the flow works and how the algorithm can be implemented into a programming language. We'll also try to build our logical thinking throughout this course. So let's move further. Why you should learn Python? It is an open source, which is a trend nowadays. Apart from this freely available feature, it is object oriented, functional programming, and scripting language, which is expressive and modular, and it is operating system independent. So it can run on any environment, whatever you have, usable in each domain. By the term domain over here, I mean to say that you can develop web-based project, a system-based project, or a core hacking thing, or you can even say write code to design something which can be animated easily in Maya or other things. Who should invest their time in learning Python? Any professional who is aspiring to understand the basic concepts of Python programming, analytic professional, research professionals, IT developers, tester, data analyst, data scientist, business intelligence and reporting professionals, and project managers. Again, the list is not limited to these. Other who wish to gain thorough understanding about the Python. If you think that you belong to any of these categories, and the third point, which is covering almost everything, if you belong to any of these, you can continue with the course, and I guarantee you that the time you invest in this course will definitely give you something. The course overview. In this, we are going to learn fundamental of Python programming language, installation and basic features of Python, conditional statement in Python, loops and functions in Python, reusing Python code, which I believe is the most important thing of a programming language, that you can reuse the code which you have written previously. So Python gives you that flexibility to reuse the code which you have already written. Prior to getting started with this course, you should have at least basic knowledge of computer science and good logic formulation skill. Though this logic formulation skill is not mandatory, but if you think logically, if you can interpret things logically, then you'll get most out of this course. If you do not have this skill, don't worry, we'll build this skill. You have to invest an extra hour a day with this course. Learning formats. The one you're seeing, the YouTube video series. And the second thing, if you do not wish to go through these videos, might be because of the reason you have less bandwidth, or you are in a situation where audio is not preferred, so you can read all these articles onto this webpage of Coding Freaks, and every code snippet is available at GitHub. You need not to worry if while writing any program you face any error and are not able to identify where you stuck. You can download the code from the GitHub and use that as a reference so that you can identify where were you missing the point. So what next? We'll start with the introduction to Python. Stay tuned. This is Sudhir. Thank you.